Hello, everyone. Welcome to our fourth week of research. I believe I might have said last week that last week was our last full week of research with everything that's changing with the calendar and stuff. And when school is ending, we decided the best thing to do would be to kind of take this research project into one more week. It'll be a little bit of a lighter week, which hopefully you won't mind. There's really only three kind of major things that you're going to be doing this week. So it's still broken down into days, as you can see down below, like the calendar usually is. But let's talk through a little bit of what you're going to be doing. So Monday and Tuesday, you finished that research project, whether it's a slideshow or a video or whatever. Monday and Tuesday are designed for you to present that project. So if we were in class, you'd be getting up in front of the classroom and, talking about all the things that you learned and that you researched and all that. For this, since we're, digital, we're going to be presenting on Flipgrid, but there's some specific directions to follow so that when you're making that Flipgrid, you can see both you as the presenter and the thing that you're presenting, kind of like what I'm doing here. You can see me up in the corner there and you can see the thing that I'm presenting. So you're going to use Flipgrid to make a video much like this one. So Monday's kind of dedicated to you to kind of practice and get used to that, to maybe look at some tips on how to be an effective presenter. And then Tuesday you would actually present it and post it onto Flipgrid, which is linked down here. Wednesday, you get a chance to look at some of your classmates' presentations. There's a little bit of a peer reflection form to say like, hey, these are some of the cool things that I learned from looking at other people's projects and all that sort of stuff. So that's the second thing you'll do. And then the third thing you'll do this week is sort of a reflection on your learning. So you've got Thursday and Friday for that. This is a thing that I think if you really wanted to, you could make it take one day instead of two, or so you could give yourself a day off if you wanted to, or you could stretch it out over 2 days and just not have much English on either one of those days. But it's the same screencast is posted for both days, and the same activity will be on Google Classroom there for you. You're just going to answer some questions about things that you learned along the way and kind of reflect on this unit. Okay, so that's the overview for the week. That's kind of your job of what you'll be doing this week. You can obviously reach out if you have questions or if you need any support, particularly around this presenting stuff. Flipgrid, this is a new technology that Flipgrid is using where they're allowing you to kind of record your screen as well as yourself at the same time. So if you're running into any hiccups, you can obviously reach out and let me know. But otherwise, I'll say good luck and yeah, have a good time with it.